everyone watch video and share. Multi-Peptide plus Copper Peptides 1% Serum is a skincare product that combines multiple peptides with copper peptides. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that can help improve the appearance of the skin by promoting collagen production and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Copper peptides, on the other hand, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help with skin healing and rejuvenation. By combining these two ingredients, the serum aims to provide multiple benefits for the skin. It can help improve skin elasticity, firmness, and overall texture. It may also help reduce the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. To use the serum, apply a few drops to clean, dry skin and gently massage it in. It is recommended to use it twice daily, in the morning and evening, for best results. Follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. It is important to note that individual results may vary, and it is always recommended to patch test the product before applying it to the entire face. Additionally, if you have any specific skin concerns or conditions, it is advisable to consult with a dermatologist before incorporating any new skincare product into your routine.